What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know behind me is my 2017 Ford F150, which was my father's at one point. And we're coming up on August 1st, which actually is the 3rd year anniversary of his death. And I built this truck in his honor. It was stock when I got it. But that being said, it's time for a new set of floor mats. I've been running about the same floor mats for quite a while now. And prior to owning this truck, I had a Cadillac CT6. Prior to that, I had a Lincoln MKZ. Both those vehicles, I would run nothing but Michelin tires on it. Big fan of Michelin. I had issues with some other tires in the past, and Michelin's I had best luck with when it comes to cars. Now, with having 37-inch tires on this truck behind me, unfortunately, I can't get Michelin's that size. They don't make them 37 by 1450. They just don't, especially 26-inch wheels. But I have added Michelin on this truck already. There's Michelin bed liner on the back of it. I added about a month ago, which has worked out fantastic. Grips on everything I haul on it. Just a big fan of it. I'll drop a link to that video up here. But for now, what I want to do is we're going to take these floor mats out. We're going to show them how quickly it is install my truck, how well they fit. Let's get started now. This is the driver's side, but I want to give you a good look at it because I'm pretty impressed with the details on it. So good grip here. It's got the locks, Michelin logo here, really clean, and tons of grip on the back side. So I want to start with the passenger side. Very similar. Got the Michelin logo here, like the edges here, and tons of grip on the back side. Let's see how well it fits in there. All right, guys, so I got the old Milwaukee I've been using for a while. I've got my speaker box flipped up. Don't pay no attention to that door. Got a lock issue that I'm also working on, but got the vacuum already out all the way around, and we're gonna throw in real quick. I'm gonna start with this passenger door. All right, let's put this. That's simple, guys. So to Michelin's defense, I think it will lay down a little bit tighter after some time. This has been in my garage for a little bit because I've had some issues with the truck lately. I've had to take it to the shop a couple times, but it does contour very well in there. All right, let me see if I can't get it in the back now, which I'm gonna have to do a workaround with that speaker box. What I like to do is I go ahead and, you have an option. You can either get like your floor mat, you can cut it. I just prefer to lay my speaker box on top of it. All right, guys, just keep sliding it around a little bit. As you can see, it contours in there real well. I'm gonna have to try to pick that speaker up and flip it around there. All right, just like that, it's in. You gotta love how it contours those edges. I'm gonna go and put the driver's side in, lay this box out how it's supposed to be, and I'll give you a good look at the whole thing. Driver's side now. One of the cool things I want to show you about the driver's side is just right here. These little clips go right in. Snaps right in. It just keeps from sliding. It lines up really well. All right, guys, so it doesn't get more simple than that as far as the install goes. But that being said, they do say Michelin does say to leave them out in the sunlight for 6 to 12 hours. That will help them relax a little bit, get any creases from packing done. It's been like 92 degrees in Indiana for, I don't know, forever it seems like. That's why I'm covered in sweat. But with that being said I do feel like the contour edge is really nice. They're very rugged. I feel like they'll hold up very well during the winter time. I like the grooves on them. I feel like the grooves will help, if you have snow or salt or anything like we deal with Indiana. I think they're going to hold up very well. To me, I think they match my my interior really well. I've got cat skin leather seats, the gray color, and anyway, I feel like it matches the dash and everything really well, and just kind of flows. Obviously, I do have the suede around my my molding and stuff like that. But anyway, just like I always do, I'll drop a link down in the description. It's not an obligation to buy, but you do, if you click on the link, it will at least tell you more information probably about the product. Michelin's a great company out there, great reputation. Give it a check out. If this video was helpful to you, check this one out. Y'all have a great day.